Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about our states and union territories. Students, first of all, you have to tell me in which country do you live? Yes, we all live in India. Dear students, India is the second largest country in world in terms of population and the seventh largest country in terms of area. Understand, students? India is a part of the continent of Asia. As you know, there are 7 continents in the world: Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Students, India is a part of the continent of Asia. As you can see on this map, it lies in the southern part of Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Mostly students are confused. There are 29 states and 9 union territories. Students, first I will give information about this. According to the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, the appointed day for the 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, was October 31. This is for the first time that a state is converted into union territory. The total number of states in the country will now be 28 with effect from 26 January 2020. India has 8 union territories. The union territories of Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli have become a single union territory. Since from 26 January through a bill passed by the Parliament in winter session. Understand, students? So, there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Students, now I will give information about what is difference between states and union territories. Each state has their own government. The government of each state called state government. Union territories, they are smaller than states. They do not have their own government. They are run by the central government. Each state has their own government, but union territories are run by the central government. Understand, students? Which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Students, India has 28 states. Now, I will give knowledge about states and their capitals. First is Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Now it is known as Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Orissa, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. Understand, students? These are 8 union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, Daman. Delhi, New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter. Ladakh, Leh. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Puducherry. Understand, student? These are states. Each state has their own government and these are union territories. They are run by central government. Understand, students? Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Goa is the smallest state in India. Landforms of India. India has many landforms such as mountains, deserts and plains. These landforms are also called the physical features of India. Based on the physical features, India is divided into northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, southern plateaus, coastal plains and islands. Student, about the physical features of India, in the next chapter we will study in detail. Understand, students? Listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.